Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. News time. The news don't carry am today. Say Adeleke don lost the tribunal case. The election case when you get for tribunal, Adeleke don lost am. And Okorocha say this man where they call Oshomole. So Shomole now then they behind his downfall. She don't get. So now so the matter be today. And that is the thing when we want to talk about with that, ladies and gentlemen. So Adeleke court case with Oyetola when we see now two of them do that election where they do. I'm saying since that time, you like see now that Oyetola now 9 days there. So when they don't do that election because APC seek government. Then say now their people go rule Osun State. Say not be PDP people. Una know say INEC people they don't announce that man what they call Ademola Adeleke before saying that him win the election. Then the tribunal don't announce the man say na him win the election. That was before. Today, another story we dey hear concerning the election matter because these two people case Oyetola and Adeleke, their case they for court since because they not agree tell us who win the election. But una know say the same way when they take conduct this presidential election, now the same way when they take do that Adeleke own and Oyetola. When we say APC can't do what they do, can't put that man what they call Oyetola as the governor of the state. Then this man what they call Adeleke can't say no, say he no accept the whole matter. Since then the case they for court. Today now, they don't judge what they judge. They say, can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, somebody, when they don't announce winner 2 times, one na tribunal, the other one na INEC. Now you say INEC, then be incompetent body. They don't know what they do. Election where they don't do since 2018, na him Adeleke and Oyetola still they drag who win 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Which country all these things then they happen? Now, after they don't talk say that is in fact we are not trusting INEC, we are not trusting APC. In fact, we know say PDP they be bad political party too, but everything when PDP people that they talk about APC people, though we already know all these things before. Ladies and gentlemen, APC, in fact, they are not playing politics. Not be so politics they go. Even the election where they do this 219 now where they do the one where they do. Problem they everywhere. Problem every goddamn places. With this because of this INEC, because of the way when APC they control INEC they control APC. These two bodies then they control themselves, the party and the INEC. Tell me how somebody when INEC don't announce it, just like Okorocha own, but we are coming there. Somebody when we see INEC don't talk say Adeleke na him win the election. Today now another story where would they hear because of Buhari. Because of this same Buhari, when would they tell on us say, this man when they this position, what they call Buhari, not be better person. Everything about the man is confusion. Everything about Buhari is failure. Look at INEC. In fact, when I see the time when Jonathan then they into power. I know they talk say Jonathan do too good. I know they talk say Jonathan are the best for Nigerian people. But I just want to give a small example. Sure you understand? Okay, between these two political parties, APC and PDP, the time when Jonathan dey on board, we not hear all these things. But not be say they not do wuru on their own. But it not be like this one and when it come be say, INEC not know who win election and they not know who win, they not know who not win. Today, then go talk in this one win. Tomorrow, then go talk in another one. Because the whole election, the whole result when INEC don't announce, problem day inside the whole result when they announce. No one will not get kill leg. Whether na Port Harcourt, reach Kaduna or reach Kano, all of them get problem. Reach Imo State to reach Igbo land, everything problem. Reach Buhari own problem. Then we talk say, I go see somebody like Femi Adesina. They come out, they talk say, Buhari na good man. Buhari, that man will not get word when they use. That one they say Buhari na good man, Buhari na better person, na good government, then go solve the problem. When are you people going to solve the problem? Which time these people, what they call APC people, go stop complaining? You are there to fix things for people. You are not there to complain. You are there to put things in order for the citizens. You are not there to complain. You are there to stop Boko Haram and herdsmen insurgency. You are not there to complain. Stop complaining. On the 29th is making it, on the 29th of this month, ladies and gentlemen, I go make am 4 years when Buhari enter power. Till today, we not see anything where they don't do. Now, today we hear say, I'm not supporting Adeleke. I not belong to any political party. I not say Adeleke na better person. But the thing when they try to be say, the way when Nigerian politicians they carry things, they take do things, they take do their wuru wuru. Say there must be like this Buhari, aka Jubri, and the APC people. Festus Keyamo, them. All of them, they are involved in all these things when they happen. Every magu when APC they do, Buhari 90 sign up. Buhari 90 send them. Because they still want, they want to win in 2023 again, according to them. According to their claim, what they claim. Already 2023 never reach. We never even go 2020. Problem don't start already between Jagaban and another guy what they call R5. Now we don't already hear now say, R5 people say R5 not go insult Jagaban. Jagaban people they say Jagaban say they come insult Jagaban. So problem they everywhere in APC. Abina Okorocha won't enter. Una see the problem when Okorocha get. Okorocha don't talk say this man what they call he don't talk many times. This will not be the first time, not be the second time when Okorocha they talk and say INEC people and the Shomole. Then they work hand to hand to bring him down. Including his people, when they Imo State there. When we say Imo State now, only one senator then get, ladies and gentlemen. Only one senator. Now him then get. There's supposed to be 4 senators from Imo State, if I'm not mistaken. But now only one. Because of the way when Buhari, they run his government. Okorocha una they don't see them. Okorocha say men say INEC no go fit seize this thing. Say now because he say now the thing they INEC difficult now to know how they want to do the wururu according to him. Okorocha himself not be better person. But it good make we they talk all this kind of matter so that we go know the way when Nigeria they go. Because the way when Nigeria they go with this Buhari administration. Not be better way, not be better movement. Buhari they make. Hear some. Okorocha saying they challenge them. Saying no, say that man when be say na him sign, na him help this man enter that power position when he did today. When be Oshomole of Edo State. He no say Oshomole will come work against him. When be say na him put Oshomole there. Say all the whole bad thing. Now me they talk this one, ladies and gentlemen. All the whole bad things when Okorocha don't follow Oshomole and the Jubri and all of them, the Kabas, outside Kabas, the northern Kabas, then do everything. Now so they take pay Okorocha. Sure you understand? Now the way when they take Okorocha be that. And now the thing when they tell una when be so be politicians, when be when come from this south and southeast and all that. Now so then go dump all of una. Now so then go they dump all of una. Now so una go they get bege oba with this APC government. And they fall on the cabas. Already, una know say they not like una. Una still they follow them. Una know say these people, they not like una. Una still they follow them. They do things. They run things. And not because una they run things in a proper way. Una they scatter Nigeria. They scatter everything. Say you get. Now so as Okorocha don't see him, now so Okorocha go they begin, he go they continue to the bear the whole thing when they is involved of the thing when they do Torah. Because nobody send that message, make you follow these people, they run show. Nobody send that message because things they happen. Ladies and gentlemen, even today now when we talk show, they say Esmen don't take Taraba state completely in Jalingo area. Can't kill 11 people. Many people wounded, ladies and gentlemen. Some people run, leave their home, ladies and gentlemen. They see them kill 11 people. 1 in Sombe. And the 6 in Sombe, ladies and gentlemen. And the other 5 in an area where they call Mumbai. Esme matter, not be matter where we will discuss today because we know what they happen already. Everywhere in the state is problem. According to them, everywhere in the state is problem. And Femi Adesina did there. They support, they talk say, them when be government people, they must to resolve the problem, they must to solve the problem. When una go solve all this problem, when they this country where they call Nigeria. I says 11 people don't die again in a brutal attack from Esmain. This one not be Boko Haram and Esmain people. And then they don't talk and not say Esmain, Boko Haram. Then they go join Esmain together now. Because they know say then they fight Boko Haram and they know say then they compensate Esmain now. Because I know say Esmain now from Meyati Allah. Now, then when they Boko Haram, then they come, they join Esmain. They do like say, then they follow the rear cattle. To the government, that money, that 100 billion, when government don't budget and say they won't give them, they won't give them so that peace go reign in that country, then the thing go they reach their hand. Now, Boko Haram don't turn to Esmain. How that country go take better when we not get better good president? How country go take better when Buhari they travel up and down? When Buhari no agree call these people, the military people where they say, they even Femi Adesina talk say, the money, plenty money where them budget. They in not sure say, then give the military the ones when they supposed give them. I mean the security agencies. When they that country. Femi Adesina open a mouth talk and say, not sure, say then carry the whole money, give them. He not sure. They know if he talk. Now the matter when did that country be that? Everywhere. No problem. INEC, they do the one where they do. Nobody they question them. They are doing as if they are above the law. If the tribunal tell them say make them submit something, they no go agree submit. Give article in paper, make them making check. You know they give anything. I be document making check. You know they give them any document. He say the document then na sensitive material. But you forget in a court tell you say make you give article that and make them cross check. That is why I don't tell them before. See, be like saying na INEC na then come be the judiciary when they that country. Everything about INEC, the whole election when they what they do in 2019, everything, no one good. Every state get their problem with INEC, with the rig, then do this, then steal ballot buses, and then go ask man, many things. You understand? Killing people, everything. I not understand. Funky D say, he not understand the INEC, he not understand Buhari, he not understand nothing. So, the thing when they cause all these things when they the country, now because of the bad government. Now because of the bad government. If government they in place, if good president they in place, if we don't call INEC to order for all this matter. But the government now when we talk, the man now when we talk, when be the president, when they call himself the president, now him be the architect of everything. Now him they architect everything. Now him they do everything. All these bad things what they do, without him, they no go do them. He no fit tell us say, he no know say all these things they happen in the country. They don't talk and say you get some area now, some people now. They say now helicopter now. Helicopter now helicopter that they take the escort train now because all these big people went to Abuja. Then they fear now to they go walk. Abuja in some different areas when we say train they pass. They say now helicopter that they take the monitor the movement of the whole. If train they move, if the train they move, helicopter they follow them. Because nobody they fit drive again go walk. Everybody they hide because of the insurgency. Everybody they hide because of Boko Haram and S-Men. Funky D. So ladies and gentlemen, now here I don't tell you now waiting day. This man, what they call Okorocha, don't cry out, say INEC no fit. He can't say again, say this man they call Oshomole. And the INEC and APC government, in fact, the man talk say the thing when don't happen to them when in the PDP, they learn. To the thing when APC people, they do it. When APC don't already do them so far. So you understand? Say the thing when in SIF, when in the PDP, na small thing. It say more than it don't big past 10 times for the thing when APC people the thing when they do them now 10 times more than waiting in see for PDP. Yeah, for waiting in fear from inside PDP. So now I be saying they talk now. Ironically, it be like say that man they talk say he won't go back to PDP. We never know. We never know. Maybe at the end of the day, but my advice to you people when they Nigeria now be say PDP and APC then be expired political party already. They are already expired. They have already expired. They not be political party when go they exist in that country again from 2023. Because Nigerian youth they don't make up their mind and their eye don't they open. Their eye don't they open now say men. They must to take that power from all these old garbage men when they that country. Nigerian youth now then don't they make up their mind in some part because it gets some people now when they don't talk say now say revolution go start from the northern part of the country. Serious revolution. Here you understand? So we go stop this segment here, ladies and gentlemen. If you no say you never subscribe to Funky D, please make sure see you do it now. Make una dey comment, make una dey share my video, share and scatter, share and give everybody. Share and give your friends, your brothers and your sisters. And if you know say you never comment before, make sure say you dey comment, they come. No wahala, whether good or bad, we not send on comment. No wahala, we dey here. They wait for una comment. Alright? Then make sure say una dey press that button, that best sign when they so that anytime when Funky D upload, no first get time. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye.